same day. Had multiple problems, but I did put it up here on the table, and I've put a mark and rotated it in the different gears. It'll go through all the gears. It's a little stiff. Let's see, that would be reverse. That way. No, this would be reverse. I'm sorry, I'm backwards. That would be reverse. There's first. Over here and up would be second. Down there's a 1-to-1 for third. And then back to neutral. So, how sweet. I'm waiting on some parts for my transfer case, a couple of shims, about a 6,000 or 8,000 shim. Put it together, and I'll bolt this stuff together. Probably could do it now, but I'm not sure, and I don't want to have to take something back apart.